It's Tim Albright with AVNation with the Road to ISE. Integrated Systems Europe happens the 30th of January through the 2nd of February. And with me to talk about their stand is Anna Kozel from VuWall. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you very much. How are you, Tim?
I am well. Good to see you. We will get to see you. Hall 5, D as in David, 700, 5D, or Delta, I guess is the right one, 700. Anna, what will we find in the VuWall stand this time around?
Yeah, we're really excited about ISE this year. I hear the numbers are going to be through the roof this time. So we are going to be showing, we're going to have a video wall and an operator workstation this year. So as you may or may not know, we're very, very focused in the control room market. And so we're going to have a video wall up. We're going to be demonstrating our latest IP-KVM technology that's on our TRX platform, which has a new release with new IP-KVM functionality as well. We're going to have an operator workstation with a dedicated display to be able to demonstrate our new IP-KVM functionality. So what's exciting about that is those who know our latest PAC video wall and KVM node, little modular scalable devices that are able to power small or large video walls. The same hardware is now being used for IP-KVM functionality. So that's really great because it's interchangeable, very easy to use, easy to deploy, and it allows operators to be more collaborative in the control room, to be able to share and control content between each other, but also on the video wall very, very seamlessly at the move of a mouse. They can control, of course, with all the proper rights, they can control content on the video wall and be able to share it or send it to other spaces as well.
So you mentioned that, and correct me if I'm wrong, that what you just described there, the sharing and the taking control, that is a typical KVM functionality, right? So what makes the IP part of that so unique and so special to folks that are using control, command centers?
So what happens is that there's a lot less hardware, all the sources. Okay. So we are also launching the VuStream 350 IP-KVM encoder. So all your sources can be encoded onto the network through this encoder or VNC sources. There's different ways to do that. Our application server as well. So if you want to see any type of source, you want to be able to control that as a KVM source. You can now do that in conjunction with all of your other sources that are also being visualized on the video wall. So it really becomes a seamless experience. The idea is to give operators very simple, very effective workstation to be able to seamlessly be able to control those KVM sources, but also visualize all the other sources that are all on the video wall, but through a single platform. So what makes it different is that most control rooms have a KVM system that's very different from a UI perspective and a user perspective to the video wall management system. And now we've combined those capabilities into a single system. So operators, as you know, in control rooms, there's a very, very high turnover. It's very important to focus on trying to keep these operators very efficient, but also have tools that are easy to use and easy to train so that you can onboard them quicker and have a single, really easy to use platform to be able to have advanced video wall control, IP-KVM control, and also AV distribution so that you can send sources, very easily route them throughout your entire facility, whether it's a meeting room or an adjacent crisis room, whatever it may be. So it's really, the key is a single platform that can do all of that.
That makes sense. Hall 5D, as in Delta 700, Anna, is where we will find you. It's where we will find VuWall, but not everybody gets to go to ISE. So if they're not going and they want to follow along with everything that VuWall will be talking about that week, how do they do that?
VuWall.com, of course, is our website to see the highlights about what's happening at ISE, VuWall.com/ISE for those going. We do have a beer tap once again in the booth, so make sure to stop by. But yeah, that's where you can find us.
All right, very good. Anna Kozel from VuWall. We'll get to see her at ISE. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. Follow along as we also head to Barcelona for ISE 2024, the 30th of January through the 2nd of February. All that and more at avnation.tv. It's avnation.tv.